8 planets of the solar system from chapter 16 Geography. And today we'll be revising the topic Earth. In topic Earth, we'll revise why it's called a unique planet and why it's called a blue planet also. So let's get started.
Children, will continue our revision of chapter 16, the Earth in the solar system. And our today's topic is our Earth, a unique planet. Earth, our home planet, where we live on. Our Earth is also a planet because it revolves around the sun. It completes one revolution round the sun in 365 1/4 days. If you see it from the outer space, it looks blue in color. It is because of the presence of water in its oceans and seas. That's why it looks blue in color. In fact, our Earth is a unique planet in the whole solar system because of the following reasons. The first, the distance of the Earth from the sun result in such a climate which is best suited for the development of man and other forms of life on the Earth. Means the climate is best for life. Second point is, it is a habitable planet. It supports man and other forms of life by proving all necessities of life. Means it supports life also. Third, its atmosphere is rich in oxygen that makes life possible on this planet. Next reason is its atmosphere acts as a large cover-up to protect its surface from extreme cold and extreme heat. The ozone layer protected us from harmful sun rays. Means it protects us from harmful rays of the sun also. On Earth, water occurs in vast quantities, which makes life possible on the Earth. As water is quite essential for all forms of life, means the water occurs in vast quantities on Earth. So now we can revise in points. Earth, a unique planet. The climate is best for life, supports life, water in vast quantities, protect from harmful rays, atmosphere is rich in oxygen. Children, today's homework also I'll give you in the form of fill-ups. And all these fill-ups are based on Earth, a unique planet. Like, dash is best for life. Answer is climate. Earth supports. Answer, life. On Earth, dash occurs in vast quantities. Answer, water. Protect us from harmful rays of the, answer is sun. And atmosphere is rich in oxygen. So like this way, I'll be giving you the fill-ups also in PDF file. So these are the points of Earth, a unique planet. Why it's called unique? Why it's so unique? Now children, our second topic is why the Earth is called a blue planet. Children, if you can see it from the outer space, we are talking about the Earth. if you can see the earth from the outer space, it looks blue in color. Why it looks blue in color? Because of the presence of water in its oceans and seas. Therefore, sometimes called the blue planet also. Or in the easy way we can say, about 2/3 of the earth is covered by water. 2/3 of the earth, that is covered by water. That's why the earth is known as the blue planet also, watery planet also. That is the reason. So children, today we have revised the 2 topics of chapter 16. First, Earth, a unique planet, and there are 5 points in that. Because of those 5 points, the Earth is called a unique planet also. First is it supports life. Second, climate is best for life. Third is atmosphere is rich in oxygen. Fourth is it protects us from harmful rays of the sun. And the last is water occurs in vast quantities. And the second topic which we have revised just now, why the earth is called a blue planet. So that's all children. Stay happy. Keep smiling. Bye-bye. Thank you.